Let's check in with Joseph. Another interesting day in the weather out there. We had some rain. We haven't seen that in so long.
It's been some time. It's been a couple weeks, yeah, and it's cool outside. Temperatures only in the lower 50s. Cloud coverage in place, some light rain. It sure feels like a different type of April day than we've been experiencing, right? Okay, 52 degrees coming out of Seaside. Notice that it's overcast there, as well as some light rain. Southwest breeze running about 12 miles per hour on the satellite and radar here. Still keeping a strong wind down to the south, and we have some more shower activity going around parts of that upper level area of low pressure that is kind of right on the top of the Willamette Valley at this time. So there's still a little bit of rain up to the northwest, and then we have this batch that's been hanging around down to the south, and pretty much everything in between Portland and Salem right now is dry at this hour. But yeah, there's a small threat for a little bit of rain for tonight, but it's pretty much welcoming at this point because we could use any sort of rain that we can get. Okay, rain totals since midnight. Notice that we have higher totals there for Salem. 0.06 of an inch here in Portland. It wasn't very much. In areas like Astoria, collecting about 0.1 of an inch. And that's about it. It hasn't been very wet at all. I have the 3 wettest days so far for April. And yeah, we still have some time for the month, but this isn't very good. Okay, 1, 2, and 3 here. Those are the top 3 days. And we'll put today at number 3 for now. I guess it's possible that we do see a little more rain, but at least this is a 0. This is a 0 that we could be proud of. It's finally rained after 14 days of just a dry stretch out there. We're almost to 1/4 of an inch, but notice that we're about 1.5 inches below where we usually are for April, or where we would like to be. Here's the drought monitor as we kind of fast forward through March and April. Notice that most of the state right here is in a drought. There's some locations that aren't at this point in time, but the trend that we've been walking, it's getting worse and worse for just about each section of the state. So there's some locations that are even in a severe drought. So any sort of rain that we can get is definitely helpful, especially since from this point on, each month gets a little bit, at least we see a little less rain each month from this point on all the way into the summer. And then by the time we get to about July and August, we don't see much rain at all. So we need as much as we can get this spring. All right, futurecast through the overnight hours. We'll keep some clouds in the forecast. Clear conditions off to the east from the Dalles all the way down to areas like Bend. Notice that we still have some cloud coverage early tomorrow morning. I hope for that to start to dissipate by the time we head into the afternoon. So those clouds might hang around for a few hours there in the morning. Here's Monday, no rain to speak of. A couple showers trying to fire up there for the Cascade Range, but likely going to stay dry. It's Tuesday where we start to see a few more clouds. Late Tuesday night in front of our next system, which should come colliding in with the state on Wednesday. And then by the time we get to about Wednesday afternoon, we'll probably see some more rain. Now, this system feels very similar to what we had for today, so it'll be a decent amount of moisture, but it's not going to be anything that could catch us up by any means. And then notice by the time we get to about Thursday and Friday, we dry on up. Thursday morning, we might have a couple lingering rain showers in the valley, but likely going to be dry at that point in time. Okay, 7-day forecast. I have us at 70 degrees on Monday. That might be a little high, but we'll call it 70. 65 on Tuesday. There's that chance for rain on Wednesday. And then it does warm right back on up by Friday and Saturday, Wayne.
Another dry one. All right. Thank you, Joseph. Next on Coin 6 News.